To write the name for H2CO3 carbonic acid, we'll use a flowchart here and our common ion table. We have H, C, and O, three different elements, so we're going to use this part of the flowchart. So we have hydrogen, making this an acid, and then we have the CO3 polyatomic ion, and that's what we're going to look up on the common ion table. Hydrogen has a +1 charge. We have two hydrogens, so this is +2 on this side. That means the CO3, that's going to have a -2 charge. So we need to look for CO3 2- on our common ion table. As we scroll down the table, we see the -1 polyatomic ions, then -2, and we're looking for CO3 2-, and it's right there. So it's the carbonate ion. We need to remember that. So we'll take carbonate and go back to our flowchart and write carbonate. We can see from our table if we have ATE, our common ion ends in ATE, we're going to take the stem, that's the carbon, and remove the ATE and replace it with IC. Then we add the word acid and we're done. The name for H2CO3 is carbonic acid. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.